A magnetic knife holder is a handy kitchen accessory that has become increasingly popular in recent years. This is where our list of the top 5 magnetic knife holders available for purchase this year comes in. As always, you can find all of the product links in the description below. And let us know which devices you'd want to see in our upcoming videos in the comments. Number 5. Modern Innovations Magnetic Knife Bar. The Modern Innovations 16-inch stainless steel magnetic knife bar is a versatile and innovative product that is perfect for anyone who loves to cook, craft, or organize. This knife bar is not only a knife holder, but also functions as a magnetic tool organizer, art supply organizer, and home organizer. Its multi-purpose functionality makes it a must-have for any household or workspace. One of the most significant advantages of the Modern Innovations magnetic knife bar is its ability to hold various items securely. This knife bar has a powerful magnet that can hold even the heaviest of knives and tools. This feature ensures that your knives and tools are always within reach and ready for use. It is also beneficial in organizing other items such as kitchen utensils, screwdrivers, or even art supplies like paintbrushes. The Modern Innovations magnetic knife bar is made of high-quality stainless steel that is both sturdy and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that blends well with any kitchen or workspace decor. This feature makes it an excellent addition to any home or office, making it a perfect gift for friends or family. The installation of the Modern Innovations magnetic knife bar is straightforward and hassle-free. It comes with mounting hardware and instructions that are easy to follow, allowing you to install it in minutes. You can choose to install it vertically or horizontally, depending on your preference and available space. Number 4. Gorilla Grip Magnetic Knife Holder. The Gorilla Grip stainless steel magnetic knife holder is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook and wants to keep their kitchen organized. This 10-inch magnetic knife holder is made from heavy-duty stainless steel and has a strong magnet that securely holds knives and other metal kitchen accessories. Its easy installation, sturdy construction, and versatile mounting options make it a top choice among kitchen organizers. One of the most significant advantages of the Gorilla Grip magnetic knife holder is its heavy-duty magnet. This magnet can hold even the heaviest of knives and kitchen tools, ensuring that your knives are always within reach and ready for use. It can also hold other metal kitchen accessories such as scissors, bottle openers, and measuring spoons. The Gorilla Grip magnetic knife holder is made from high-quality stainless steel that is resistant to corrosion, rust, and scratches. This makes it durable and long-lasting, ensuring that it will continue to hold your knives and kitchen tools securely for years to come. Its sleek design and brushed finish also make it an excellent addition to any kitchen, providing a modern and stylish look. Number 3. Ouddy 16-inch magnetic knife holder. The Ouddy 16-inch magnetic knife holder is a versatile and practical kitchen accessory that provides a safe and efficient way to store and organize your knives and other metal tools. This knife holder is made of high-quality stainless steel and has a powerful magnet that securely holds your knives in place. Its multi-purpose functionality makes it a great addition to any kitchen, workspace, or home. One of the most significant advantages of the Ouddy magnetic knife holder is its ability to hold a variety of metal tools securely. Its powerful magnet can hold even the heaviest of knives and tools, ensuring that they are always within reach when you need them. This feature is especially useful in organizing other metal items, such as kitchen utensils, screwdrivers, and paintbrushes. The Ouddy magnetic knife holder is made of durable and rust-resistant stainless steel that ensures long-lasting use. Its sleek and modern design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen or workspace. The knife holder can also be easily mounted on the wall, saving valuable counter space. Number 2. LARHN magnetic knife holder. The LARHN magnetic knife holder is a versatile and stylish accessory that provides a safe and efficient way to store and organize your knives, utensils, and tools. This 16-inch knife holder is made from high-quality bamboo giving it a sleek and modern look that complements any kitchen decor. Its extra strong magnet ensures that your knives and tools are always within reach when you need them. One of the most significant advantages of the LARHN magnetic knife holder is its extra strong magnet. This magnet can hold even the heaviest of knives and tools, ensuring that they are always securely in place. Its strength also means that you can store your knives and tools safely, without worrying about them falling off the holder. The LARHN magnetic knife holder is made from sustainable and eco-friendly bamboo. This makes it not only durable, but also a stylish addition to any kitchen or workspace. Its smooth surface also makes it easy to clean and maintain. The installation of the LARHN magnetic knife holder is straightforward and effortless. It comes with all the necessary hardware and instructions, making it easy for anyone to install. You can choose to mount it vertically or horizontally, depending on your available space and preference. Number 1. 24-inch heavy-duty magnetic knife holder. The 24-inch heavy-duty magnetic knife holder for wall is a premium quality stainless steel magnetic knife strip that provides a professional and space-saving solution for organizing your knives and tools. This upgraded version of the magnetic knife holder comes with a powerful magnetic pull force that ensures your knives and tools stay in place. The large size of this magnetic knife holder is perfect for those with a lot of knives and tools to store. With a 24-inch length, it can hold multiple knives and tools, helping to keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. Its sleek and modern design also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen or workspace. The premium quality stainless steel construction of this magnetic knife holder ensures that it is durable and long-lasting. Its heavy-duty design can support the weight of even the heaviest knives and tools, making it a reliable and safe storage solution. Its non-porous surface is also easy to clean and maintain, ensuring that your knives and tools remain hygienic and safe to use. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.